We're really focused on trying to look at the growth, trying to improve our service level, and we want you to talk to our employees. And that's not so we can tell you what to do, it's so you can educate us on the things we don't know. If you like what we're doing and you're here, tell somebody what you like. If you don't like what we're doing and you're here, tell somebody what you don't like. Let's make it work, and then separate from that, talk to each other, make your businesses better. Our expectation in the next year is that if you need anything from XPEL, you're going to be able to call us 24/7 wherever you are and get what you need.
Ladies, gentlemen, success is a decision, a conscious top-of-the-mind thought process. Success is a decision that you make. Success is a point when you say, I'm going to do this. Because the moment you start to believe you're doing the best you can do, you're getting all you're ever going to get.
What is your digital marketing strategy? And there's a lot more than social media going on, but social media can be a huge component of it. And of all the things you spend money on, you can ascertain the most money for spending the least through social media. That's a fact. Guys, this is critical. Your reviews, Google, Facebook, Yelp, Angie's List, Good Contractors List, etc. Get your happy customers to write reviews for you. It's the difference in your bottom line.
Here's the message for us as business professionals. The more senses you employ in your offering and experience, the better the experience. They don't know why they feel better, they just do. So the question we have to ask ourselves is, what's your brand experience? Now, we have good branding, we have good film, but the weak links are us. We're the weak links. What's that experience? It has nothing to do with XPEL and everything to do with you.